This is the story of the pool. Mrs. Mona's always dreamed of having a competitive pool in her backyard. Mr. Mona has agreed. Two qualifications for the pool are that it must be rectangular in shape and the length must be 10 feet longer than the width. Mr. Mona, because they live in Park Forest, has only given her 4,200 square feet of valuable yard space. With the width being x and the length being x plus 10, how can we figure out the largest and longest pool Mrs. Mona can build? So here we have our swimming pool with a width of x and a length of x plus 10 and a maximum area of 4,200 square feet. So we multiply, remember to find area, we multiply our length times our width. So we take our length times our width and we set that equal to our maximum area. We then distribute our x to give us x squared plus 10x equals 4,200. Now I've subtracted 4,200 from both sides, so I'm left with a quadratic equation of x squared plus 10x minus 4,200 equals 0. Now we're set to solve this quadratic equation by factoring. So think of factors of 4,200 that have a difference of 10. In this situation, we get x minus 60 times x plus 70. If we check that by foiling our information back, we do see that this is our quadratic equation. Now that we have our two factors, we can solve using our zero product property. We have x minus 60 equals 0 and x plus 70 equals 0. Adding 60 here to both sides, we're left with x equals 60. And over here, if we subtract 70 from both sides, we get x equals 70. In looking at our two solutions, we can see that obviously we're not going to have a pool that is negative 70 in a width. So in this case, since it's a real-world situation, we kind of ignore this. It is a solution, but it's not one that we can use. So with our width of 60, that leaves our length to be 10 more, which is 70. And if we check our answer, 60 times 70 gives us the 4,200 maximum square feet Mr. Mona has allowed for a swimming pool. So if we look at our final solution, Mrs. Mona is able to build a 60 by 70 foot pool. However, her dreams of a competitive pool, which should be at least 25 yards, isn't going to happen within those restraints that she has been given.